everyone, welcome back to Lena M Budgets. Today we're going to be cash stuffing $110 into my sinking funds. My savings challenges are 1K subscriber giveaway box and some coins we're going to deposit into our quarter challenge and my coin jar. I'm an all cash budgeter here on YouTube. I do cash stuffing videos, savings challenge videos, and I'm currently on a journey to eliminate the rest of my debt. If that is your kind of content, please continue watching. Now I have $110. I had drawn out the denominations inside the bank from the teller, and I have 2 20s, I have 4 10s, and I have 6 5s. So that's all adds up to 110. So I'm going to separate this right here. So we have 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10. So we have a total of $110. Not much, but I want to make sure to be intentional and consistent. So we're going to start out first of all with my quarter challenge. And this is the amount I was able to accumulate. Okay, we have, I believe, let me see, $1, $2. We have $3 to deposit into our quarter challenge. And I've been very consistent with this. I haven't been touching it at all, guys. I admit I have been touching it before, but ever since I started my videos again, and I've shown you the last time, it's gone up a little more. You can actually see it's on the first line of the bottle, and I'm very excited to continue this. Next, we're going to do our coin jar. See how much we have in here so far. I have $39.43. So I'm going to deposit all these coins quickly. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. It's currently 10:30 and I'm trying to get through this video. So if I'm going a little quick, I'm very sorry. But I'll try to go quick and a little slow at the same time. So here we go. Okay, guys, so we have a total of $39.90, but I kind of miscounted. So it could be roughly $39.90 or $39.80 because I know it did 10 cents, but it was honestly a penny, I believe. So, but for right now, we have $39.90. But once this is all finished and everything, I'll let you know exactly how much I've saved. But for right now, we'll just believe this number. So I'll just set this aside right here, and then I'm going to actually put $15 into our 1K subscriber giveaway box. We have 5, 10, 15, and this is going into our box. Now we're going to set that aside, and now I'm going to start out with my sinking funds. There's a lot that I'm not going to actually add in. I'm just going to actually just add in the important ones. I don't have a lot of work to work with, so that's the reason. So for me time, I'm not going to be adding anything. I currently have $20 in me time. For kiddos, I am adding $20. Okay, so we have $20 added, and we have a current balance of 20, 40, 60 for kiddos. Next is hubby. I'm not adding anything as well, but he does have a balance of 10, 20, 25, 30. Okay, guys, and next up is parents. They're not getting anything as well, but they do have 25. So 10, 15, 20, 25. Car maintenance is getting 20. Okay, in total we have 20, 40, 60. For clothes, I'm not gonna get anything today. And for clothes, I have $16. 5, 10, 15, 16. For beauty, also, I'm not going to be adding anything in today. But for today, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13 in beauty at this time. Personal is going to get $10. Okay, so personal currently has $10, $20, $30. Okay, taxes, as usual, is for today. It's not going to get anything neither. And lastly, it's AAA, and I'm just going to add $10. Okay, so AAA currently has 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Okay, and we are currently done with our sinking funds. And now we're going to move right on to my sinking funds. And now we're going to move on to my savings challenges. I apologize. I thought I said it in reverse. I thought I said savings challenges when it was sinking funds. Okay, guys, so we're going to start with my 52-week challenge. We have this amounts put in. And for today, I'm going to add for this challenge, I'm going to put $15. So I'm actually going to draw in and color 15. Number 15. I did this over again, guys. I had some other expenses I had to do, so I wiped it out once again, but I'm not giving up. It is going to be done, and I'm going to make sure to get this challenge over with because I have other challenges I want to start. So we have 5, 10, 15, and that is the last of our 5s. Okay, guys, so in this challenge, we have a updated balance of 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, $60. I fall, guys, but I will make sure that I finish this if it's the last thing. I will make sure. Okay, guys, so we have 15 drawn in. I'm actually going to take this out so I can draw it properly. And for our 100 envelope challenge, I'm going to add in my $20. I have 2 10s, and I am going to be coloring in number 20. As just to remind you guys, yes, it is 20 that I am coloring in, but remember this is doubled, so I am coloring 20 and obviously doubled. So I'm sorry. Oops. Nope. I knew I was gonna make a mistake. No, guys, I apologize. No. It was number 10. And as I mentioned, it's doubled. So I'm coloring 10 and it's going to be 20. So I'm going to be putting in 2 10s in my envelope. Not enough. I was trying not to make a mistake. Okay, guys, so we're good with this. So I'm going to be adding my last 2 10s into my 100 envelope challenge. Okay, and we currently have a balance of 100, 110, 120, $130. So $130 we have in the 100 envelope challenge. Okay, guys, and for today, I'm not adding anything into the likes challenge, but I am going to be adding in, I believe, $20 or $25 for the next one. But we currently have a balance of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I did add 25. It was off camera. I didn't record this. I just made sure to just put it in. That's how much I owed for the likes challenge for my last 4 videos. So this is the reason why it is $25. So I just added $25 for my likes challenge. That was from the last 3 or 4 videos. So this is the reason why I have $25 in here. I did it off camera. Just to make sure that I just get it done. I kept saying I had to do it and I kept putting it off. So I did it when I have the money in hand. So that's the reason. I apologize, guys, for that noise. I did let my kids know to be quiet, and unfortunately they weren't able to, so I apologize. For the 529 savings account, I just have $5 in here. This is what I just added as well off camera. Okay, and then last but not least is my Roth IRA. I also added $5 to my Roth IRA savings account. Okay, guys, so these 3 envelopes today are not going to be getting stuffed, but I made sure to do it off camera, so that technically counts. And we're done with today's video. I want to thank you all very much for your continuing support. Thank you very much for always tuning into my videos, for giving me likes, for all the likes that I've received, and for subscribing to my channel. If you do like content like this, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button, and I will see you in my next one. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.